Today I'm excited to share my thought on the new Honor 90 5G, a smartphone that has left a lasting impressions on me since my first look video. I've been using it for almost 2 weeks now, and I must say, I'm pretty impressed with its 200 megapixel camera setup and the overall performance. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong, welcome to Fast episode 97. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. Here's my review of the just announced Honor 90 5G. Firstly, despite being a mid-range tier device, Honor didn't compromise on the build quality. The Honor 90 5G boasts a premium design featuring a quad-curve AMOLED display with super narrow bezel. The quad curve around the display makes swiping gestures feel incredibly natural and smooth. The back of the phone is made of reinforced glass, adding premium touch to its aesthetic. However, the camera bump's design is a bit of hit or miss. While some may like it, I personally find it not to my liking, especially it wobbles when I'm placing it on a flat surface. Now let's talk about the display, where the Honor 90 5G truly shines. It comes equipped with a 6.7-inch 120Hz LTPO 2.0 AMOLED display, offering a high resolution of 2664 by 1200 pixels. The panel boasts an industry-leading 3840Hz PWM dimming features, making it gentle on the eyes. With a peak brightness of up to 1600 nits and 100% DCI-P3 color space, it can compete against flagship smartphones from big brands. The optical in-display fingerprint scanner though is positioned a bit low, but it does the job well, especially when face recognition fails to work when I'm wearing a mask. The display of the Honor 90 5G is by far the best among mid-range smartphones, and is a compelling reason to seriously consider buying this device. To keep the price reasonable, the Honor 90 5G is equipped with last year's mid-tier chipset, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1. It offers a slight performance boost compared to the popular Snapdragon 778G, and it delivers more power efficiency thanks to its 4nm process. Paired with up to 12GB of memories and 512GB of internal storage, the Honor 90 5G handles everyday tasks smoothly without noticeable lag or stutter. However, when it comes to high graphic gaming such as Genshin Impact, its mid-range chipset does show its limitation. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the 200 megapixel camera sensor with 1/1.4-inch sensor size, accompanied by a 12 megapixel autofocus ultra-wide cameras, a rare find in mid-range devices, and a depth sensor. While it lacks a telephoto camera which is reserved for the Pro variants, Honor promises near 2x lossless zoom with the large 200 megapixel primary sensor, and it truly delivers on that promise. The center hole punch card houses a 50 megapixel wide cameras with fixed focus, which is great for group photos. Unlike for me, I don't have many friends. Now, let's take a look of some photo samples taken with the Honor 90 5G. The device runs on Honor Magic OS 7.1 UI based on Android 13, and the good news is that it includes Google Mobile Services. Honor promises 2 years of major OS update and 3 years of security update. Despite its sleek and thin profile, the Honor 90 5G packs a 5000 mAh battery, which is quite impressive. With the large batteries, you can easily go a day or even 2 without pressures of running out of juice. Another nice feature is the 66W Honor Supercharge, which can fully charge the Honor 90 5G from 0% in under 50 minutes. However, there's no wireless charging support, which is also the case with other mid-range devices out there. In conclusion, if you're looking for a smartphone with a fantastic display and great camera performance without breaking the bank, the Honor 90 5G should definitely be on your radar. Now, to nitpick, the software support could be relatively short and it only features a single down-firing speakers that could easily muffle while I'm playing games in landscape mode. That's all from me on the new Honor 95G. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment box below, so I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.